So far, yesterday's class, you are good, right? You are understanding each and every point and you are making a note of it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we create a region, at that time some fields we are not fill up, like course name, employee name, shift. That is not mandatory.
No, that's not mandatory. If you want, you can fill it out. Okay. The main thing is here we have a mandatory field. Okay. If you want, you can give it and try to explore it, what exactly it is. Now we are into staffing models. Let me share my screen. Okay. Now, if you go to the staffing models, we have two staffing models. One is position management and one is job lead. Okay, able to see only two, right? But if you go and see in another page, you will be having three. But you cannot able to enable the headcount management. Actually, it is no longer available. It got deprecated. But in front end, we are not seeing that headcount when we are creating a supervisory organization. But when you go to maintain staffing models, see here, what are the staffing models you have? Position, headcount, job. Okay. Now, let me take Amazon. I'm seeing a new member, Archana. Who is that? Now see here, this is my organization. Why? Enable position management, right? That's why I could able to see the position management enabled as a checkbox. See here, you can't able to select the headcount management. I'm trying to select it. See, I'm trying to select it, but I couldn't. If you are able to select the job management, you can see you are getting hand icon. But if you see here, it is in disable mode. So it is deprecated now. This is okay enabled. In our staffing model, you can select any one of the staffing model. At a time, you can't select two. That's why when I selected job management, it automatically disables the position management. If I select on the position management, automatically job management will get eliminated. Will get disabled. Okay, this is how you will be maintaining in your staffing models. Suppose go to your supervisory organization. You created your supervisory organization, you gave job management, but you are planning to change it to job management. Here you can't able to edit it. Now I'm editing my supervisory organization. See, I'm not getting it, right? I'm not getting it. But if you wanted to change it, it will be changed here. Now if you click on job, click on OK. Go to your supervisory organization. If you go to your staffing details, see here, it would be job management because I gave it as a job management. Now go and see your organization. Sorry. Maintain staffing models. Now this is your job, right? Let's take. This is your job. Now, go to your actions. Go to staffing models. What you have? Maintain organization hiring. Okay. So, you don't have anything. Okay. If you are going to staffing, you are seeing only manage organization hiring freeze, right? Go here, select everything, click on OK. Then you will be able to freeze, okay, the hiring from the organization level itself. Okay, now cancel it. Now go here, select your organization. Still it has to appear the organization. Now click on OK. One second, we'll get it. It is too slow. That's why it is. Enter it out. Okay, now I got my organization, right? Now, see, my staffing model is job management now. Okay, now go here. Is unavailable. Let me refresh it.
Madam, what is the use of position management, headcount, and job management?
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you the difference on each and everything. Forget about the headcount management. Now it is no longer available. Okay. Now you'll go with job and position, but in order to know you what exactly headcount management uses, they will use it for labor. See, some constructions, okay, everything will be there, right? For that kind of things, they can use it for oil and gas. What they will do, they will come, they will work, and then they will go off. They will hire a very bulk people as well, like 1,000 member of laborers in that way. So for that kind of things, they will use it headcount. I'll tell you. For remaining two, I'll show you each and every difference. Check. Okay, this is my thing. Why I couldn't able to edit it? Use the checkbox to edit. Why? Okay, I'm able to edit it. Some page issue, and I think the page you are trying to load is unavailable. Okay, in meanwhile, let me show you some differences. Okay, remove it. Okay, let it. Okay, now the organization is job management. Let me take some other organization which already existed and show you the difference. Then we will remove that. Okay. Now go to your CEO supervisory organization. Okay. Now this is your position management. Now if you go and click on actions on your CEO supervisory organization, go to your staffing. See, you have a option to create a position. But if you go and if you go onto your Logan McNeil supervisory organization, go to your staffing. See, you don't have an option to create the position. That is one of the difference. You cannot able to create the position in job management staffing model. But in our IT industries and many of industries, they'll create the positions and then they will hire the employees into the positions. Right? So please make a note of it. That is the difference. See here, a capability to report on open and filled position. In position management, yes, because we're able to see to create a position, but in job management, we cannot able to assign a position, right? Now here, assign cost center, company and region on unfilled position. So if you create a position, okay, let me go and check this as create. Where is staffing? Yeah, create position. See, it is asking for location, everything, right? Okay, when you start creating a position and hiring an employee, it will ask you to create the cost center, assign a cost center and everything. But here we are not at all creating the positions as well. So then there is no point of view in assigning the location or cost center, right? Because different positions will be from different countries. Actually we discussed, right, what is the use of the cost center. It is for financial purpose, to track the project's revenue where and all you are working it. Okay, so in job they are not creating any position, so there is no more okay cost center assigning will be available. That is one of the difference. Now assign default compensation. Go, if you created a position, let's take any other position is available. Any positions? Okay. Now let me take this. This is my position. We will discuss about this. Now if I am trying to add a position, I'm trying to add an employee in that. Okay. I'll tell you all these things. Don't worry. Just for showing you, I'm taking everything. Okay. Now go here. See here. You can see, right? Compensation. So compensation is nothing but their salary. So when you are hiring an employee, you can assign the compensation to them. Okay. So here in the position I'm hiring him, that's why I could able to assign it. And in the job management, what we will do, we will create a job. We will not create a position. We will create a job. So for a job, suppose in my job is, you can see in position you will create a job. If for that job you will assign a position. But in job management you will create only job and then you will start hiring into that job. Okay, so if you are hiring some 100 laborers per day, you will give some 100 rupees, 200 rupees. That is only that compensation, right? That's why it is showing as S for assigning default compensation. Okay, the next thing is position history tracked. Okay, position history tracked is nothing but whatever the positions. Okay, suppose now you are in manager level, again you move to senior manager, then vice president. So each and every position you will be moving into different positions, right? All that position histories will be tracked out. Let me show you. See here, job history. See how many positions she has it. So on 6/7, okay, she was human resource Logan McNeil. Okay, now, okay, these are all, okay, let me show before. From initially, she will be as a Logan vice president. Before, I don't know, like, what employee I can take. Let's go to job history. She is also chief executive officer only. Okay, everyone are having only into one position. If they are into different positions, it would be easy for me also to show you. All this are into. I don't think so. He will be. He is also system analyst. Yeah. Okay. Now I got to know this. See here. Initially, go to him. Okay. Initially, okay, he is system analyst. Okay. Now, the position is become as a contract. 550029 system analyst staff in Peters. So he will be moving into contractor position from fixed role to, I mean, like as a permanent position to, he is moved to the contract position. So people who are contractors will be declared as bracket C, that means contingent workers. In Workday, they'll not call it the contractors, they'll call it as a contingent workers. So how many positions you are changing, that will be available here, and who are all your managers will be available here as well. Okay, from 11 to 14, he is a manager, and from 12, 15 to 15, he is a manager. Okay, from again, so suppose if the manager is changed, again the manager is also, okay, we can see the manager changed list as well. Okay, and whatever the changes is profile. Okay, suppose on your profile they are changing your name, or else they are changing your contact, whatever they are doing it, everything will be shown it here. Okay, see, name, preferred name change, emergency contact change, ID change, everything will be showcased in your work bill, and you have a request to hire into a open position. You cannot hire it, because now they got the requirement, then only they will hire it. But in job management, that is not the case. They will be keep on hiring it. Okay, they need in bulk manner, right? So they will be keep on hiring it. Okay, allow for the use of job requisition functionality. Job requisition is nothing but the job. What I say, in our position management, we will create the job, and then in the job we will create the positions. Okay, that's why it is enabled here. In job management, we will create only job. We will not create the position. These are all the differences between each and every staffing model. If we have, so let's give me a very simple overview. Nothing but see, position management you take IT industries, job management you take some. Okay. Now what they will do in hotel? So they will be having. So they don't want to see. They will be having their own business. So they will be paying from their pocket, right? Owner will be paying from the own pocket. So they'll create a job, and they will assign some receptionists, they will assign some bearers, they will assign from some chefs. Okay, so again, chefs are different. They should be having different work. They should be good enough in different skills. Even in receptionist also, their work is different, and they should be good in some other skills. In that way, we will be differentiating it. So that's why we will create different jobs. In the jobs, we will enable it. Suppose they have different branches, we will be hiring some 5 receptionists, or suppose from 50 chefs who are good at non-veg, who are good at veg. So in that way, it will happen. Okay, but if you come to position, okay, we will be having, okay, if you take IT, you take sales, you take marketing. In IT, we will be having different kind of roles, right? We'll be having development, we'll be having testing, we'll be having support. If you take development, we'll be having many technologies. If you take testing, you'll be having many technologies. So each and everything will be differentiated by the different positions, and the different job groups, and different job families. So these many will be creating in the position management, but in job management it will not be available. Okay, that is a very simple example. If you have any doubts, if you are feeling some bit confused, you can ask me. So I'll explain you.
Ma'am, it means job management is just contractual persons.
Not contractual person, even for permanent, but where they will not be having any restrictions. See, job management is nothing but we no need to allocate some space to them. Okay, we no need to provide some billing on them. See, if you are a senior software engineer, you will be working for different projects. So company will pay you, but from where the company is getting it? From the client, from the customer. The customer will be in different countries. So based on your deal, they will charge you a billing in USD or else in euros. In that way, right? You will be having different pay. What you will be getting it from the customer to your company. But in job management, all that will not be there, right? If you are working in US, you will get it. That's all. If you are working in India, you will get it. You will get India salary. But if you are working in India for a US project, back in it will be dollars for you. But the company will be paying you only Indian rupees. That's all. So you will be getting pay in different currency, but you will be getting the pay in different currencies. That's all. But they are not like that, right? Wherever they are working it, they will be getting that currency only.
Ma'am, you have any example for explaining for both the management?
Both the management in the sense, see, we will be creating the positions. I'll show you. So the next topic is we have to create our jobs and everything, right? So we will create it. So there you will see, I showed you example where the position histories will be tracked. Okay, capability to move positions means, yes, we will be moving from, you are into now, suppose senior software engineer, now you are moving into team lead. So you will be transferring from one position to another position, right? So that's why it is enabled for you. So I'll show you, I'll create a position, I'll assign a cost center, okay, I'll assign a compensation, okay, everything I'll show you.
And madam, these both position management and job management using in same company, or
No.
some companies are using position management and some companies are using job management.
See, how in the sense, now your company is into only IT, they will use into position only. But your company is into IT and into some other different categories, they have into different things. Only for that different people they use job management. For remaining everyone they will be using position management. But they will be using two different tenants.
Okay.
Yeah, in one tenant they will not use two. Any other doubts? Any other doubts?
No, madam, I don't have.
Okay. Today we will end up with here, but we will talk with Archana. Okay, she is a new joinee today. So let's talk with her. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Hey, hi Archana.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Before going into my introduction, let me know your introduction.
Myself, Archana. I'm having 4 years of IT experience in core Java development.
Okay.
I have missed my 4 classes, but this is my first session. I'll be going through the backup sessions again.
Okay. So you have gone through the demo session?
No, as of now, I haven't gone. Actually, I need to join from first session, but because of few constraints, I haven't.
Okay, no worries. No need to worry. I'll make you to listen from the first session. Okay. So
Okay.
we already completed, I guess, 4 to 5 sessions. Okay. So we completed the organization structure and the navigations. So
Okay.
what we will do? What can we do? You tell me. Like, do you want me to explain you separately in the evening on these two things, or else how you wanted me?
If it is possible in the evening, I'll attend.
And Vishwas, and who is another guy? Sorry, I forgot your name.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Satya, Aparna, for 3 of you, evening is fine from next week.
At which time, ma'am?
From 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, from 9 to 10 or 9 to 10:30.
Okay.
Let me know if it's possible so that we can move to the evening sessions.
Means complete sessions or only some sessions at night?
No, remaining all the sessions. Okay, you guys discuss and let me know. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, Archana, what we will do? Okay. For Vishwas and Satya, I'll not take the class on the weekend. Okay. So for you, I'll take this session on Saturday and Sunday. So I'll give you an introduction. I'll explain you the organization setup and each and everything. Okay, so you will also get to understand what exactly it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, is that fine, right?
Okay. Yeah, fine.
Okay, before going into Saturdays and Sunday session, let me give you some overview of the workday and show you how our workday page looks like and what and all we discussed. Okay, it would be an glance to Satya and Vishwas as well.
Okay.
Okay. Have you heard anything about Workday? What you know Workday? Tell me. If you know anything, tell me what you know exactly about Workday. What you know, just whether it is correct or wrong, don't bother. Tell me what you heard about Workday and what made you to learn this Workday. Have you gone through internet or else you got through some of your friends? How? So tell
I
me
have
what
got
you know about
to
it.
know from of my friend, one of my friend, like Workday is an ERP HCM solution. It is a cloud-based
Okay.
solution. Okay. I need to go through more deeper, but I know only this.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Yes, what you said is correct. It is a cloud ERP only. Now, let me tell you more apart from cloud ERP. See, you know we have a different ERPs apart from cloud. You know what are all the ERPs we have as a standalone?
PeopleSoft, is it right?
Okay. Okay.
Oracle.
Okay.
I know only two.
Okay, fine, no worries. How we will work on PeopleSoft
And
and
Workday.
Oracle? Okay, fine. Okay, how you will work in Oracle and PeopleSoft? How you will work? I mean, like how your friends will work in PeopleSoft and Oracle? Will they write code?
I'm not that much aware.
Okay, okay. See, if you go to the Oracle, PeopleSoft, SAP is also an ERP. We have many
Yeah,
ERPs. Okay, what they will do, you know? So, they will write the code. Okay, now when you go to your office, when you are going to your office, you will be having your own login to view your personal information, your payslip and everything, right?
Yes.
What you will do, you click on your personal information, see the URL. Now in your new tab, click on your payslip or you click on your leave request and see the URL. You will be finding URLs as a different. The URLs will be entirely different. That means what they will do, you know, they will write the code, okay, to make the UI user friendly to the users in different languages. For each and every page, they will write a code and then they will write single sign-on. That means everything is one page. When you're clicking it on only one page, but it will be redirecting to using another page with a different URL. That means those are different pages, and they made it as a single sign-on. Okay. So for each and everything, you will be seeing in different pages, and your data will be in somewhere in the database. So what they will do, they will write the queries to get the data into the SAP or PeopleSoft or Oracle, whatever the ERP, and then they will store, and then they will write some HTML code or whatever CS or JavaScript or Java frameworks or .NET pages, what based on the requirement they will write it, and then they will make it visible to us in an easy understanding manner. That is what it will happen. So since those are standalone applications, they need to maintain some database server, and they need to maintain server for SAP, and they need to hire many resources. Okay, they need for data, they need database developers, they need some Java developers or else JavaScript developers or SAP. In SAP also we have many modules, ABAP, HR, BI. So they need different people to take care of it, to write the pages, to take the data, to store the data, to maintain the data, to maintain the server. So that is a lot of work, okay, which will be held in the backend. And if you go to the standalone ERPs, what they will do, and every year or else every month, whenever they have a new upgraded versions, we have to buy it for the new features. Okay, that is how a standalone ERP will work. When you come to a cloud ERP, okay, you no need to maintain a server. First point is you no need to maintain a server. Your data will be in the cloud. So wherever we are taking space in the cloud, they will be taking care of it. Okay, and one more thing is we have many ERPs like in cloud also Oracle Fusion, and we have success factors. In that way, we have many other cloud ERPs as well. But there also they are writing some code. The only thing is the space is there in the cloud, so they are not able to. They need to maintain the server. But if you come to the Workday, okay, there is no concept of coding, okay, and each and everything will be in the single page. Now go here, let's assume this is you, okay. Now you are using some ERP to view your personal information and everything. Let's assume your company is using Workday and they gave you username and password to view your details, to view your pay slip, okay, to see your compensation details, and to for performance reviews and everything. You are using your Workday now. Okay, this is you. Now here will be your employee ID. Here will be a organization, okay, under which organization you are coming, it like whether it is an IT or else sales or else human resource, whoever it is, okay, this is yours. And if you go here, what under which position you have, okay, so and what is the job profile? Job profile is nothing but I'll tell you in our next topic, you no need to worry. And in which management level you will be having, you will be having some grades like 1, 2, 3 or else A, B, C. So that is your grade, whether you are regular employee or not, okay, and what is your location. So each and everything will be available here. Now see the here tab index 0, subtab index 0. You are in the same page, but you will be able to see everything in different tabs. Now I'm clicking on job. Now, okay, I am into job. Now see here tab index 1 and subtab index 0. That means I'm on the same page with different tabs. If you go to the job details, here subtab index will be 1. If you go to your organization, it will be subtab index 3. Because see here, If you go to your employment data, subtab index 4, it is 1 only. Now click on more. See, when I clicked on more also, the same thing is there. Come down. Now go to your personal information, then the tab index will become as a 2. See here, again it is 0. Click on here, it will be 1. It will be 2. So in that way, each and everything will be in the same page. Okay. And you no need to mention anything in the database. What actually SAP guys will do, whenever they are asking to create something, first they will create it in the database. Okay, they will see in the database. So to get the data, they will go to the particular, they will be differentiating, like personal information is one sector, and their contact information will be in one sector. So they will go there and they will take that into the SAP. But in Workday, that is not the case. If you wanted to see your personal information, you go to your profile, you will search it. If you wanted to see your manager, you will be not having any permission. Let's take your manager have to see you. Let me go here. Let's say this is you and your manager is Logan McNeil and seeing your thing. So you no need to go to that particular folder or a particular sector and have to see. Each and everything will be in the same page, and you no need to write a very single logic in the a single coding in the functional. In technical, you will be writing a bit code that is also not like in Java development code or else .NET, where it will be not a hard code developing. Okay, whatever you wanted to see your manager, click it here. It will redirect you to the manager page. If you wanted to see her manager, click here. See, in that way, you will be just clicking it. If you wanted to see anything, here you will see it. If you wanted to see an employee, you will type the employee name. Okay, if you wanted to create a position, you will see here, create a position. And a single page. That is one of the main benefits in the Workday, which is very easy to end users to use it, and for developers to develop it, and to testers to test it. Okay, and another thing is, on every 6 months we will be having 2 releases. So once you are buying an URL in the Workday, you no need to pay anything to them for each and every release. Okay, you will be getting all the updates for a free of cost. Okay, that is also one of thing. Now go to your profile. Now if you wanted to go to your home page, you can click here. Click on here. Okay, this is your sheet. It will come to your update. So you have to approve here. So that's why that kind of approvals, whatever you have to approve, or else whatever you have to take the action, okay, whatever you have to do in Workday, everything will be coming to your inbox. This is only Workday inbox, not your Outlook. Okay, not your Outlook inbox, where you will be getting emails from client or your from friends or your from manager. That will not come here. This is only an Workday inbox. Whatever the actions, whatever the approvals, whatever the tasks you have to perform in the Workday, that only will be able to see in this inbox. Okay. Now this is the notifications. That means whatever is available for you, okay, will be notified here. Okay, anyone is shared any report, okay, anyone is created a position, whether if you created also, it will show a notification here. Okay, so whatever it has to notify you, what are the tasks you are completing, and it has to notify you in the sense it will be creating here. We will be discussing about this notification in our classes, so you will get to know how we will be creating these notifications. Okay, now just for now I'm showing where you will get these notifications. Now, go here. This is your drive. This is Workday W drive. That means, suppose you ask, okay, you ask some Workday analyst or Workday team that I want a report to see my team's time, who are all not submitted the time from my team. I wanted to see the list of employees. You asked her. So that kind of reports, they will not share you directly through your email. They will share it through the W drive. Okay, that kind of reports will be stored here. Okay, in our next sessions, this also we are going to see how we will be sharing to others W drive. Okay, this is one of the things. Whatever the reports are available, here also you can see in my reports. Okay, since she doesn't have any reports, it is showing it. That is one of the things. So these are all like basic navigations. So wherever you have to go, this is called actually seeing many items here. See, the worker can able to, he can first will be our, we need to have will coming under security actions. You can say related, clear Archana?
Yeah, clear, ma'am.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me. When you are keep on going on to the daily classes, you will be listening on daily, right? So you will get used to these words. For initially, it will be a bit tricky to understand the wordings on Workday perspective. Don't think only Workday. Just think you are going to your office and whatever you are doing it, correlate with your Workday. It will be more than enough.
Okay, sure.
Okay. That's all. Suppose let's take you are only HR. What you will do, you will create a position. Okay, once you create a position, you will hire someone into the position, right? You will take all the interviews and then you will hire him. In that way, if you guys are correlating, it would be easy to learn Workday. Don't think in a Workday perspective only. It just ignore the Workday concept and correlate with the real time. Because since you guys all are working, correlate with your real time. If you have any recruiters as your friends, ask them what they will do. Okay, they will hire it, they will assign something, and they will assign some compensation. If they assign what it will do, it will go to some approvers, who and all will approve. It is in very easy manner. Okay, think about it. That's all. And how to do it in Workday, in the sense I will be telling you, you guys have to practice it. Based on your practice, based on your notes, whatever you are taking it, based on your practice and based on your learning, you will easily learn this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Vishwa, Satyam. From tomorrow also it's morning only. So from Saturday and Sunday, you guys will not be having class. Archana, organizer will get back to you on the timings on Saturday and Sunday, since you are lagged on 3 to 4 classes. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yeah.
give us some favor. We have also joined on Saturday, Sunday. If you are not any issues.
Okay, then that's fine. I don't have any issue. If you wanted to join, you can join it. I don't.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you also can join so that it will be easy for you also to understand more. Okay, for now, I'm leaving the meeting. Thanks for everyone to join. Okay, so let's see in our tomorrow's class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.